front of me is Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and tap on advanced features. Then choose motion and gestures, tap on one-handed mode and click on the sorter to activate it. Now you need to scroll down and pick one of those options to reduce display size with. I will go with buttons, I have to tap on it and follow instructions below. Click the home key 3 times. When I do that, one more time, faster. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can change placement of it by tapping on this icon below the gear 1 at the bottom of the shrink screen, and if you wish to go back, tap on the blank area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely though, you can always do that by tapping on the sorter. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!